Hey y'all, so we back with another video with this red wig install on lay. This is a used wig, that's why the lace is already cut. But you know, we finna give it a whole different style, of course. So first thing you want to do, but when you're doing a used wig, you always want to measure and make sure the wig still fits, because you know sometimes you have to force the wig to fit, sometimes you have to cut the lace up for it to fit right. So you want to make sure it fit before you even lay it down. Now y'all, like, I cannot stress this enough. I done see so many people put a wig down and like one side be longer than the other, or like they have to cut it up some more because it's not fitting right. You literally just need to make sure you can put it on before you even sit there and do all that work. Now, this wig was blonde the last time I installed it. She colored it red, and of course the lace got turned red. Anyway, we still finna make it work and still finna make it look like Scout, because I can't have you walk around here with no red lace. And y'all, please excuse my voice. I am a little sick right now. And no, it ain't COVID. So I ended up putting 4 layers of glue down, and you see, okay, so you see me lift it up and put it back down. Y'all, I'm telling you, before the glue dry all the way, hurry up and make sure it's fitting right, because you have some glues that's not even gonna give you enough time to do that. But literally, that's the easiest way you can go without having to take the whole wig back up, clean the glue off, and then re-glue it back down. So you really just have to be careful and make sure you're paying attention to what you do. And she wanted them big ghetto fluffy edges today. Of course, this is actually my first time doing them, and I think I actually did good. But I just put out a lot of extra hair on what I usually do. And y'all know I don't like a lot of baby hairs. I just be wanting it simple. And now all you see me is part, not the back part, and putting the front part up, because we're going to put the front in 2 braids. And then the back, you know, it's just going to hang down freely. Before you tie the lace down with the elastic band or the melt belt, whatever you're using, make sure everything is glued down. Even if you see a piece that look like it may be coming up, just go ahead and pull it back up and put some glue down. It'll save you a lot of time in the end. So I've seen a lot of people say, well, it was somebody that asked me in my DMs, like, why do I pull out the baby hairs or whatever before? The reason why is because if I know exactly where I'm going to lay my baby hair, I just go ahead and pull it out so I don't gotta worry about it later. And then it makes it automatically lay down that way because it's laying the opposite way than what the hair is laying. Now, if you don't know how your client wants your baby hair, if you don't want baby hair at all, you do not have to do this. So if I was doing regular edges, I usually would swoop the edges first and then braid it, because to me you can tell sometimes when somebody braided it first and they try to swoop the edges to blend in there and they're not blending. But because you want the fluffy edges, I thought it really didn't matter because I'm not really going to be pushing too much into the hair. So for the edges, you want to cut them longer than what you usually do because you can't forget you got to curl them or whatever. To me, this is not my favorite technique, but I mean, whatever floats your boat. But you just want to cut them longer so you can curl them without burning your client. And then you just want to swoop them. I've seen people swooping with different stuff, with Got to Be, Gorilla Snot, with mousse. It's different. I think I used Got to Be in the yellow dry this time. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see next, or what you guys think I should try next, whether it be on myself or on the client. And don't forget to follow me on my socials at Hair by Tootie on Instagram, Hair by Tootie on TikTok, and Call Me Tootie on TikTok and Instagram.